Welcome back.
Welcome back, everyone. Ayan, I got safely through Emirates. Sir Ronald, ayoko na pag-usapan Emirates too much. Baka makasuhan ako ngayon kasi very strict yung rules. Bawal pala mag-live stream na ano. I couldn't do any live
Ah,
feed from Dubai. Talagang block lahat.
yung mga Pilipino na nagla-livestream, they were
Kulong-kulong.
arrested. Kulong sila.
Yeah, I mean, it look bad, Sir Ronald. It look bad. It looks like a ghost town. Sira-sira yung roof.
Yeah.
Para
Tapos, yung airport pa naman, 90% Pinoy yun nandun.
yeah, well, I would say 50% may 50% yung mga taga South Asia, yung mga ganun, di ba? Like, it looked apocalyptic, Sir Ronald, no? Like, I was there in Dubai during pandemic, no? Mas empty pa siya nung sa pandemic time. I was traveling still in yung pandemic time, 2021,
Hindi nila alam that Dubai Airport is the busiest airport in the world.
before this.
It's busiest than New
Changi.
York, busiest than tawag dito sa Frankfurt. It's the busiest airport in the world. Imagine mo yung investors na mawawala sa Middle East, knowing that it's the most stable part. The Arabian Peninsula is the most stable part for insurers, di ba? Most stable part for
Real
tourists.
estate,
Mm.
Bitcoin people, all of that, wala na. I mean, it's a totally different world, Sir Ronald. I mean, honestly, sir, did you expect the war will continue to this day with no sign of actually ending? If anything, baka lumala pa.
Well, yes and no. Something has to give eh. Kaya several months ago, we were waiting for the aircraft carriers to arrive sa Mediterranean dahil yun ang indication that the war will start. No, actually, several of us were waiting for that several months ago. Kaya hindi siya unexpected eh. No, hindi siya unexpected.
No, no, that it extended this far, and actually, there are even more new elements. Yung Hormuz now is de facto controlled by the Persians. I mean, like, what are we looking at here?
Tsaka ang tingin nila because yung Syria ay bumagsak si Assad, di ba? Tapos the the Hezbollah at saka yung Hamas are in retreat, no? At yung Houthis are being hit by the US and Saudi Arabia. Tingin nila baka it's the best time to hit Iran. Especially inuudyok ng Israel. Yung Israel naman kasi yung talagang nag-uudyok eh. At mukhang this past 2 months, may upper hand na yung Israel kay Trump. Parang hawak na niya. Ah, actually, dati tinatawanan lang na hawak ng Israel si Trump because of Epstein. Because the Epstein files. Now, nobody is laughing. Parang totoo. Parang totoo. No? Na talagang may hawak yung Israel kay Trump. Dati, sa laughing matter. Pero dahil lahat ng utos ng Israel, ginawa ni Trump eh. Even against his own interest, ha?
And against the intelligence, I mean,
Oo.
the U.S. intelligence committee made it very clear the regime change is going to be extremely difficult, if not impossible. There's no sign that
Iran is not a threat.
he
No?
didn't listen to his own
They
intelligence,
don't,
his
they
own
don't,
generals.
they don't have the capacity to develop uranium to weapon level for the next 10 years. So, ibig sabihin, his entire intelligence community was against it. So,
Well, he said he obliterated. So why does he have a problem with an obliterate? Ayun
well,
ang
sabi ko
problema.
last Friday, no? Why should we stop? Why should there be a ceasefire when we are obliterating them? And then 3 days later, ceasefire, ceasefire.
Ang ngayon, ang inarte
At
yung Iran.
nag-fail yung ceasefire today. Binomba ng Israel yung Kumarahom Shar pipeline.
And
Kaya
fun also.
yung cities doon na blackout at hanggang ngayon. So nag-threaten ng Iran na bombahin yung mga power plants ng Israel and yung mga neighbors nila. So pag binobomba ng Iran ng Israel, hindi lang Israel ang binobomba. Even Qatar, even UAE, etc. So I'm not sure if the ceasefire will hold, no? Dahil hindi
Yeah,
naman
I
pabayaan
don't
yung
think
US and Israel.
ceasefire talaga. No one wants this, especially the Iranians. Like they had ceasefire last year after 12-day war. Ang tingin nila sa ceasefire, magpahinga lang kabila, mag-replenish naman ulit na interceptors, sa atake na naman kami.
Ano na ngayon,
So,
paubos na ng interceptors.
yun na,
Bakit
yeah, na
yung
may,
ceasefire?
exactly. Like the momentum is actually with their side. I mean, I think we saw I don't know if you saw the videos of yung attack sa Dimona. nuclear ano sa Israel. Obviously warning shot 'yon because tinamaan din nearby yung power plant ng Iran sa Isfahan. Bushehr, sorry. Um so parang walang interceptors. I'm not seeing as many interceptors even sa Israel eh. And then in the Gulf region, last week, 'di ba, tinira ng Iran lahat ng mga oil facilities, gas facilities. $20 billion daw yung damage sa Qatar. Grabe, yung
Oo. Yung biggest LNG plant sa buong mundo was extensively damaged. Kahit halimbawa magkaroon ng ceasefire today, it will take years bago maibalik sa kanyon. Sa condition before the war.
and it exudes a lot of methane. So grabe yung impact nito. I mean, this is a
Yes.
climactic.
Kinabahan sila nung kahit hindi umabot doon sa Diego Garcia, the very fact na umabot ng 4,000 kilometers yung missile ng Iran. Ang alam ng lahat, ang maximum missiles ng Iran ay 2,500 kilometers. Itong pala ito, umabot ng 4,000 kilometers. So, ang tanong ng mundo, ano mo ba yung ibang weapons na
Na hindi
meron
natin alam. What else? But remember,
alam?
the 2,000 kilometer was a political direction by the former Supreme Leader. So obviously, I think after the 12-day war last year,
Hmm.
basically, probably they changed their doctrine on that. I don't know about nuclear one, but at least on that. And remember, Iran is sending already satellites into space. So meron silang technical capability. So that was a self-imposed political capability. Although, then again, Sir Ronald, maraming mga accusations, may mga false flag operations daw. We don't know if Iran is doing this or someone else is doing this to set up Iran and all. Like, ang daming ano mist of
I won't be surprised if Russia and China are arming Iran because this is their moment kwan,
lead
para
the West.
para mag-unravel si Trump. Imagine mo yung kasiraan ng US around the world, no? Yun yung- It's a self-inflicted wound, no?
Imperial self, ano, talagang nag-harakiri, geopolitical harakiri. I mean, in the US, I mean, Trump is what, negative 20, parang lampas pa niya si Arroyo, no? Yung net negative niya, net negative 25.
Oo.
Grabe, I mean, it's terrible. On economy, he's net 20, 30 negative. I mean, it's all over the place. Kaya nga you're wondering, like, how can even Trump declare victory out of this? So, I don't know what spin game is gonna
Well,
happen.
yung naasahan ko, ang graceful exit niya is the Strait of Hormuz. 'Di ba? Dalawa lang yung pwede mong gawin. Either mag-ceasefire, which means you are going to give in to the demands of Iran, no? Yung sinasabi niya ngayon na we will open the Strait of Hormuz and the US and Iran will be managing
Together daw, may sariling ano,
together.
may ano.
Or kung hindi mag-work yan, boots on the ground.
Yeah, but
No?
that would be again its own like ano yun eh.
400-kilometer shoreline ng Iran. So,
Gallipoli, ano yun.
put the ground. I'm not sure if the Americans can take casualties. No, this is not Venezuela or Greenland.
Speaking of Greenland pala, did you see the news that the Danish military was preparing to, I don't know, kung do Iran style. At saka yung mga Iranian generals, nagjo-joke sila, baka they can help them daw with Greenland. Like, this is crazy. People are just trolling each other. Sir Ron, let's be honest.
uh,
I know, I mean, you're a young man, but you saw crazy stuff in the previous century. I mean, the previous century is just 20 years away, right? But did you ever expect we'll have someone like Donald Trump as the world leader and his whims and tweets? Wala pang tweet nun, but imagine like whatever he's thinking aloud will determine global markets and everything. Although, parang
well,
hindi na rin naniwala market sa kanya. I think they also realize, parang ano to, market manipulation ba yung sinasabi nito?
well, yes and no dahil nakikita mo even 20-25 years ago yung deterioration ng American society.
Si Bush.
Diba? Yung paglakas ng mga nung eventually naging base ng MAGA. 'Di ba? May sections ng American society na talagang galit no? Na weaponize ng likes of Trump. 'Di ba? Yung populism niya. Pero nandun siya. Na umaandar yan, no? Yung contradictions ng American society. Nakikita mo na yan, 'di ba? Anti-migrant, no? Anti-everything, lonely whites. No? Sabi nga nila, yung isang foundation ng Trump populism is weaponizing loneliness ng mga middle-aged whites na nakikita na wala na silang future. Ang future na sa mga migrants. Di
No,
ba?
yung status nila, no? Yung privilege status nila.
Oh, iniiwan sila ng mga asawa nila, nandun sila sa mga bahay nila, umiinom ng beer, no? Lumalaki yung mga tiyan, no? Tapos wala silang upward mobility na nakikita. Ito yung na-weaponize, this kind of loneliness. Eventually, pumunta yan sa mga kabataan, yung mga high school graduates, na nakita na wala rin silang future, no? No? Ito yung mga disenchanted sections ng
Tsaka
American
Fox News watchers, mga Fox News.
Yes, yes, no? Tapos dumating si Trump, no? Sabi nga ng Fox News ito yung hindi nila nakita, itong angry section ng American population which grew at the turn of the century, no? Lumaki yan, nag-fast track. Kaya bakit number one ang Fox News, no? Talo pa ang CNN, di ba? Dahil merong ganyong klaseng political base, no? Lunatics, no? Lunatics. Pag pinapanood ko yung Fox News, natatawa ako eh. Biro mo? Listening to all those lunatics. Pero, mauunawaan mo bakit merong ganung base. Bakit may ganung base ang Fox News? Bakit number one ang Fox News? At bakit a liar, a psychopath like Trump was able to win twice? Twice, di ba?
Yeah, like it's like people had a chance. So now, Sir Ron, let's go to our closer.
Nagsimula siya, sabi niya, nung kanyang term, I will be the peace president. No? I will be the peace president. Nakakatawa eh, ito was tragic eh, di ba?
I mean, Sir Ron, so closer to home, should we worry about China taking advantage of the situation sa West Philippine Sea? I just had Commander Admiral Tariela kahapon dun sa TV show natin to discuss what are the countermeasures. How are you looking at it? Dapat ba mag-worry tayo? What's the sense on the ground?
Well, tinatansya pa ng US eh. Dahil siyempre, alam din naman ng US na hindi push over alam din naman ng China hindi push over ang US. Tapos meron kang Korea and Japan and to some extent Australia malapit dito. Now, of course, hindi nila kayang i-fill yung vacuum kung hindi kaya ng US. Pero meron pa ring Asia Pacific Fleet sa Guam at saka sa Hawaii. Ibig sabihin, hindi naman yan lahat pumunta sa Middle East eh. No? Medyo kinuha nila yung interceptors sa Korea. Medyo kinuha nila yung some interceptors. Pero ibig sabihin, the fleet is still in the Pacific. No? Kaya tatansyahin din niya ng China. Tapos yung mga interceptors na binigay ng China sa Iran didn't work effectively. No? So maganda sa China yung Iran war para makita matest in battle yung kanilang mga armas. Dahil yung mga armas nila not yet tested in battle. Diba? Yun yung problema ng China. No? Tested yung kanilang army laban sa mga secessionists, Uyghur, Tibetans, no? Yung mga pushover. Pero in a real war, ang party na subukan lang nila is
High-tech
India.
war, no? High-tech war.
No? At yung India is not really a war, no? Mas mga skirmish. So, unlike halimbawa yung Americans na laging nasa gitna ng gera, hindi pa nila sigurado their soldiers and their armory. No? Kaya medyo nag-hesitate pa yan. Kung at the same time, ang tingin ng China, they might win the next election in Taiwan. No? Dahil they almost won several times. No? They just made a mistake on how to handle the elections. Ba? Yung Kuomintang, yung independents, if they united last election, yung mga pro-China ang nanalo. So ibig sabihin hindi pa sumusuko yung China dun sa electoral possibility sa Taiwan na mag-shift
But
politically.
it's related, right? If China can basically tell to Taiwanese, or look at what Iran did to all of these Gulf countries.
Hmm.
Imagine what we can do to you 10 times over, right? Like that in itself allows for China-friendly people to say, "Oh, let's not vote anymore for DPP or whatever." Like it's a psychological warfare, right? Even China
Yes, yeah.
doesn't even need to threaten actual war.
Ang problema ng China is Hong Kong. Nakikita ng kabataan ng Taiwan what's happening in Hong Kong. Kaya ayaw nila na maging part ng China, no? Because of Hong Kong. No? Yun naman. And ito yung kabataan. Pero yung mga middle age Taiwanese, yung matatanda, ang gusto nila makabalik, magkaroon ng ugnayan doon sa mga pamilya nila sa mainland, 'di ba? Tapos 200, 300 billion dollars ay investment ng Taiwan sa mainland in terms of businesses.
Yeah,
So,
Foxconn, di ba?
oh,
Foxconn, yung biggest company nila, yung iPhone
the businessmen, the
assembler.
older generation, gustong bumalik doon. Bago sila mamatay, magkaroon sila ng reunion, no? But the younger people, nakikita nila is Taiwan. Ay, isa Hong Kong.
Tsaka yung younger one na born in Taiwan. Kasi yung mga minention mo yung older generation, ito yung mga related kay Chiang Kai-shek, di ba? Tumakas si Chiang Kai-shek, he brought not only treasures, but a lot of people from mainland. So,
Hmm.
a lot of Taiwanese now vote for Kuomintang are those people. They're different from yung mga pinanak sa Taiwan, they can trace their. And also, yung indigenous Taiwanese, right? Na very similar sa amin, Cordillera, I mean, in terms of culture and genetics and all of that. Actually, the Ilocano language yata, and indigenous Taiwan is also very related family yata sila, at linguistic family. But in terms of the Philippines, so China's game plan would be what? Flex a bit muscle, help help pro China figure. Kasi yun nga, like China doesn't even need war anymore. They can just say, oh, tingnan mo yung ginawa ng Iran, we can do 10 times over, right? Yung psychological warfare.
Ang tingin lang ng China, they practically occupy the entire South China Sea. And then most of the ASEAN countries are not fighting them, no? Except possibly Vietnam and the Philippines, 'di ba? Tayo lang yung And even Vietnam, meron silang matinding kwan diyan, no? Cold hot relationship, 'di ba? Dahil parehas naman silang komunista eh. Parehas silang ng style of
Pero
government.
minsan yung pa yung grabe yung away, di ba? Kasi
Oo,
away kapatid.
of China and Russia. Tapos ang tingin nila, teka, may parating na eleksyon sa Taiwan tsaka sa Pilipinas. And sa Pilipinas, yung aming Manchurian candidate is leading in the polls, no? Tapos sa Taiwan ay umihina yung hold ng US dahil nagiging unpopular yung US around the world. No? Possibly nagiging unpopular din siya sa Taiwan. So they will calculate it. They will calculate yung less damaging, no? Less risk for them because the Chinese are very pragmatic. Hindi yan mga die-in-the-wool dogmatic cadres. Meron yan, pero they're also very pragmatic. Ayaw nilang malugi. Ayaw nilang bumagsak ang negosyo. Lalo na ngayon na may internal problems ng China. Yung economy ng China, yung demographics ng China. Na kung hindi nila mamamanage, it can turn political.
That's very important because there's this analysis piece na kinote rin sa Financial Times.
Hmm.
Basically by Taiwanese experts. Sabi ng Taiwanese experts, actually what Iran showed is even if you do decapitation, if decentralized you can still put on the fight, resistance. So some in Taiwan are actually saying they can learn from Iran, right? That actually Iran, it's very interesting. Everyone is learning their own thing. So it's fascinating.
Iba yung Iran.
Si
Iran
Max
is a
Lo yan. Si Max Lo.
Iran is a theocratic state.
And it's a military, right? Diba?
Yes,
And it's conscription. They have 1 million army. But
these
basically,
are fanatics versus lunatics. So,
yan ka na naman sa
mga
Ronald.
lunatics yung ginagera sila. Yung ginagera yung fanatics. No? Parang perfect storm eh. Oh.
Parang, I think hindi na gets ni Trump ang layo ng culture ng mga Venezuelan. Basically, di ba, mga Latino. And then like, completely different. I know they look
Chill yun eh.
similar.
Chill.
You can say Persians and Venezuelans look similar, but they're totally different. I mean, my ex-imperial mindset din ng Iran, and they're very different. Persian.
Iranians, they call themselves Aryans.
Yeah,
Diba?
feeling white, feeling
They
white.
don't call themselves Arabs,
No, of
no?
course, they're not Arabs. They speak
Huh?
Indo-European.
Oh, we are Aryans, no?
Yeah. So may superiority complex. But I don't want to get into that. Baka mamaya kung saan mapunta ang usapan natin. But going back to this, Sir Ronald. But that's interesting. So the Taiwanese are saying, wait lang. Baka pwede rin mangyari kung bombayin yung Taipei, yung Kaohsiung na lang at Kaohsiung and ano. But you're right. I mean, it's a completely different ballgame. But having said that, it's interesting. Everyone's reading into this in a way that helps them. But nevertheless, a Taiwanese national security official told openly to the Financial Times that their assessment is U.S. is running out of stockpile and interceptors that they would need down the road against China. Kasi what people forget is wala na manufacturing capacity ng US and all the critical minerals are controlled by China. So alam nga naman, hingin ka sa China, pare, pabili ng pang-ayos ng bala ko kasi gamitin ko sa'yo mamaya. I mean, like, di ba? I mean, we are in that situation. It's so crazy. Akala
Well,
ng tao, parang ano yun eh.
nakalimutan yata
Timo,
ng US that Iran fought Iraq, no? And lost 1 million people.
8 years war. That was an
And
8
then
year war.
this these Iranians fought in Syria, they fought in Lebanon, they fought everywhere. Hindi to kwan, hindi to mga armchair soldiers. These are warriors. You may disagree with with their beliefs. You may not want them, no, as a neighbor. No? Pero these are fighters. No? These
Like
are fighters.
Vietnam, I would say, very similar sa Vietnam during the
Yes.
Indo-China Wars. Hindi yan, ano, hindi yan susuko yung mga yan.
Vietnam defeated three superpowers:
Yeah, French, Chinese, and
France,
American.
US, and China. They
Well,
defeated
ang
China.
yabang ng Iran ngayon, they push back two superpowers na sabay. Hindi lang like sabay, joint attack.
Yes,
So
yes,
magyabang
yes.
lalo yung mga yan, di ba?
Hindi,
But
balikan mo yung Juan. Balikan mo yung tawag dito, yung panahon ni Nasser. Di ba?
Gamal Abdel Nasser.
When Nasser nationalized the oil
Suez
industry,
Canal, yeah.
the Suez Canal, anong ginawa ng Juan? Ng UK? UK was still a superpower then. Kinausap nilang Israel to attack
And
Egypt.
France, and France.
Practically destroyed their entire air force and their entire armory. Pero anong ginawa ni Nasser? Kumuha siya ng 3 tankers, pinuno niya ng bato, pinalubog niya sa pinalubog
Suez
niya
Canal.
sa Suez Canal, di ba?
Parang yung
Napaka-asymmetric.
mga fraternity, parang
Wala
bardagulan.
makadaan, di ba? Wala makadaan. Parang yung mga aquatic mines ng Iran sa Strait of Hormuz. It will take years bago tanggalin yon. Unless alam mo kung nasaan sila. Now, only Iran knows. Di ba? May kwan yun, may GPS yun. So, ganun yung ginawa ni Nasser. Natalo siya sa gera. Wiped out yung lahat ng tangke niya, 100 fighter jets. So, anong ginawa niya? Pinuno niya ng bato yung 3 tankers at pinalubog. So, wala nakadaan.
Wala kasi, yun ang difference, di ba? Walang missiles,
Yun
walang
nangyari
drone.
sa UK. Bumagsak yung economy ng UK. At doon sumulpot yung mga nationalist independence movement doon sa empire ng UK, di ba? Naggumuho naman yung British Empire after the war.
And the French, the Algerian Revolution entered the critical
Oo.
phase not after, long
Hindi,
after.
yung
Yeah.
Middle East was controlled by France and the UK, di ba? Sila ang may hawak
Sykes-Picot.
doon.
Yeah, absolutely, Sykes-Picot. Except Iran and Turkey. Those are the two countries that were not colonized fully
Yes.
by any.
So
Kaya,
dapat na-realize ng mga Amerikano, no? Yung asymmetrical warfare sa Suez at saka sa Strait of Hormuz.
the difference though is Iran manufactures massive missiles and drones and
Yes.
kumbaga tawag ko dyan Timo warfare. Yung parang Temo, di ba? You can just mass produce
Oo.
cheap drones and overwhelm everything. So
Oo.
imagine what China can do, di
Pero
ba?
yung ilang mga barko na inilubog, yung version nila dyan, aquatic mines. Aquatic mines cost $200.
Yeah.
No? Cost
Yeah.
$200.
The math is just unsustainable, exactly.
Mm.
So speaking of the Philippines, the president just declared a state of emergency, and this was
Huh? Huh? Why?
Wait, akala ko you're falling. Sabi nga ni Bam, di ba? Sinupport pa ni Bam, no? Kailangan natin emergency. Mga kaibigan pa natin na nagpo-push yan. So ayan, nag-declare ng emergency si BBM. Ang tanong, alam ba niya ng emergency power?
Pero mo, ginawa niyang 2 weeks ago, di ba? Ginawa niyang sinertify niya yung suspend na excise tax, no? As part of the emergency. And then for the past 2 weeks, sinasabi niya walang emergency. Ba't mo, ba't mo ginawa yung excise tax, di ba? Tumaas na ang presyo ng langis sa 100%. So, wala, ang sabi ng DOE, walang energy crisis, walang oil crisis. It's just a price crisis. Alam mo yon? Alam mo yung kaibahan ng price crisis at saka oil crisis? Magkaiba yun
Hindi
eh.
supply ang problem, it's the market determination of the price. Mga ganon. Oo. Magaling naman, in fairness. Medyo technical.
Tapos meron daw tayong 60-day, the maximum 60-day reserves. Parang hindi mo ginamit yung reserves this past 3 weeks during the war, di ba? So, who are these guys fooling, di ba? Siguro, baka si Manny Mugato, mabola nila, no? Baka si
Si
Patrick
Manny yung defense
Manila, di ba?
minister mo, binubuli mo parate.
Pero pati ba tayo bubulahin, di ba? Yung ganun.
Akala ni Manny tapos na yung giyera kaagad ng first week. Sabi ko to si Manny to, di pala magaling mag-defense analysis.
Di ba? So, what's happening with these guys, di ba?
Okay. Sir Patrick, palitan niyo na yung defense analyst niyo. Hindi marunong
Yung sabi ng DTI last week, no? Hindi tataas ang basic commodities for the next 2 months. Sabi ko sa kanya, namamalengke ka ba? Namamalengke, Lord, go grocery ka ba? Tumaas na eh. Tumaas na eh. Akala ko itong sekretary ng DTI, magsasabi na naman ng 500 peso Noche Buena. Akala ko uulitin na naman na yun.
Baka Noche Buena for everyone or for all jeepney drivers, gano'n. Hindi.
Oo. Tapos nagbigay sila ng ayuda, 325 pesos para sa magsasaka. Hindi ako daily one shot na ayuda. 325 pesos. Ano yun? Tatlong siopaw? Ano mabibili mo sa
Ay, extra rice
325?
at saka no, noodles. Pwede na yan. Konting ano mo yun, siopaw with rice and noodles.
Tapos sa Friday, tataas ulit ang presyo ng gasolina. Ngayon, tumaas today eh. Tapos tataas ulit sa Friday. Oh, pagpalagay mo lang nagkaroon ng ceasefire, no?
Hindi,
Hindi,
wala.
hindi pa rin, wala
Sira
rin
pa rin. Kahit,
sa
kahit
price.
matapos ngayon, sira
Wala.
na. Wala na,
Oh,
sira na lahat.
kahit kung palagay mo in a different multiverse, matapos ang gera today, tingin mo bababa ang kwan? Para yung feather na dahan-dahan bababa.
Ah.
If ever, di ba? Yung liquefied natural gas, the biggest plant in the world, no, was practically destroyed, no, a week ago. So, tingin mo,
All the critical materials for fertilizers, semiconductors, lahat apektado sa Ronald. Grabe yung multi-level supply chain shock to eh. Tsaka
yeah,
magka-cascade effect yan. Like you're just seeing the first wave now. Magkakaroon ng second wave, tertiary wave.
50% of all ingredients for global fertilizer ay dumadaan sa Strait of Hormuz. Oil and liquefied natural gas, 20%, 20 to 25. But yung ingredients for fertilizer is 50%. No? 50%. Kaya hindi yan ganun. Baka naiisip ng tao, uy, tataas, bababa.
So
Ano bang
tama si Lacson, 'di ba? Sabi ni Senator Lacson, Trump has to be held accountable kung kailan niya kinancel yung USA. Now, expected 50 million people will fall into extreme poverty because of the rising cost of practically everything. I'm seeing, hindi
That's
ko
optimistic.
talaga,
That's optimistic.
no, that's the minimum, and that's 2 weeks ago. Of course, now, baka
That's
200 million ang,
optimistic.
grabe to. I mean, but like Trump, does he care? I mean, why should the world's fate be decided by one man? I just don't understand, Sir Ron.
Lunatics don't care about these things. Huh? Psychopaths don't think about these things, di ba? Ah, hindi. Why do they care? Wala kang sense of empathy eh. Di ba? Yun ang characteristic ng isang psychopath, di ba? Ng isang lunatic. Hindi ka mag-empathize. 100 million, no? Absolute poverty? Huh? Why do I care, no? Pero mo, inubos mo yung leadership. 2 layers ng leadership, inubos mo. Military at saka yung gobyerno. Tapos ngayon ay Pangka, very proud ka. They are now negotiating with me because they are intelligent guys who knows how to play chess. No, ito,
Very high IQ, very smart
di
people.
ba? Di ba? So,
Sabi
just
naman
3
niya,
days.
regime change na daw kasi iba na daw yung kausap niya. Ganun ba yung Sir Ronald? Pag iba yung kausap mo, kunyari,
Wow,
kunyari wala na
good.
si Ronald, kausap ko
Hindi.
kunyari yung ibang sekretary. Ibig sabihin, regime change na ba? Ganun ba yun? That's how it works, Sir Ronald?
Well, kung kausap mo si Richard Hidarian, regime change yun.
Ayan ka na naman, Sir Ronald. Nagkakauwi
Oo,
ko lang
regime
problema.
change yun, no? Oo. pero
Parang
kung
may...
pero kung kausap mo si
Oh,
Rafaela David, no? Kung kausap
ayun.
mo
Reform change.
si Percy Sendanya, no? Continuity 'yon. Pero kung
Grabe ka talaga, Sir Ronald. Ang bully mo talaga. Yun nga, parang ibang kausap ko, regime change na, parang ganun. Hindi ko alam, Nakita mo yung mga map, countries with the Delcy Rodriguez and countries with no Delcy Rodriguez. And then there's just Venezuela and then the rest of the world. Like, bakit niya pinipilit yung nangyari sa Venezuela? But, Sir Rolo, like, what's happening in Cuba? Because this crisis in the Gulf may give some Cuba some chance kasi they're putting na renewable energy. Next thing you know, maging solar superpower ang Cuba, no? Like the Chinese
Yes,
are putting all the solar
nagpapadala ng rice ng China sa kanila. Papadala ng kwan. Boatloads of thousands of tons of rice, no? Ay yung ginagawa ng kwan ng China ngayon, filling the vacuum, no? Yun ang ginagawa nila.
leader.
Imagine, oh, this is the worst case to declare war on Iran. Bakit? Planting season sa US. They need the fertilizer. Nagdoble na yung price ng fertilizer sa US. Di ba? Mumurahin siya ng mga farmers. This is the worst time. No?
It's like,
Hindi naman yung nagplano nitong gerang ito. No? Hindi in-anticipate yung this is the worst time. No?
Hindi,
Ah,
sabi nga 2, 3 days lang tapos na ang usapan, di ba? Di ba yun
ah,
ang sinabi ng Israeli intelligence daw sa kanya? There's a New York Times report saying that they convinced him na magkakaroon ng revolution till... Now people are realizing, purong mga palpak yung mga intelligence na yan. Purong mga Mickey Mouse.
sinasabotage ng Israel yung ceasefire na sabi ni Trump will never happen. Tapos nangyari yesterday, tapos today sinabotage ng Israel, by bombing Karahumsar, no?
Yung greeds and in civilian
Oh, yung
infrastructure, which by the way is
pipeline.
a war crime.
Oo.
It's a
So,
war crime. I mean, all sides.
yeah,
Targeting is wrong. It's complete war
of course,
crime. As much as
of
war
course.
crime yung targeting civilians. But no one bothers to even talk about
Nakakatawa lang, yung
international
United
law.
Nations, no? Pinapagalitan ng Iran for bombing yung mga neighbors daw niya, di ba?
Pero
It's
hindi minention paano nagsimula yung giyera. Kaya
Oo nga.
mukhang ewan
Parang,
din
parang yung mga Europeans, di ba? Binabanatan. Wala, with no mention who
how it
started the war.
started. How it started, right?
Uh,
Which brings me actually your good friend, the former NATO Secretary General, our
Jen.
Norwegian guy. He
Uh,
came out very strongly and said this is wrong, this is basically ridiculous, etc. And what a contrast with Rutte, right? I think yung NATO Secretary General ngayon gusto niya na mag Mar-a-Lago or Miami na, pwede na siya lumipat. I mean, I think he's in the wrong continent. Si
Tingnan mo si Prime
Daddy
Minister
Trump,
Sanchez. Ang sabi ni Prime Minister Sanchez, di ba? Uh,
100%.
we support Hezbollah. We support we support the
People,
Palestinians.
the people. Oh, the people, not the
People, no?
radicals.
Oh, well, in reality, yun yung kaaway. Di ba? There are no other groups there na
Wala
kaaway.
na naman Sir Ronald, kaya mayroon naman combatants, non-combatant,
Di
parang
ba?
kay George Bush, ah.
Oh,
No, but I
so,
mean, it's crazy what's happening right now. Parang there's no global leadership. I mean, yes, Sanchez is speaking, some ex-NATO secretaries are speaking, but like, I don't know, it's so weird. I'm so worried, Sir Ron, because for me, I think parang nung nagkaroon ng pandemic, some screw fell, ano na eh. Parang medyo ano ng mundo eh. It's
hindi
spinning
lang yung
out of
ating
control na.
hindi lang yung ating collective immunity ang nag-weaken, pati yung ating IQ.
Baka yung vaccine, Sir Ron. Nag-vaccine ba si Trump? Di ba
Hindi,
na-COVID yun?
sinasabi ng mga kanya ng mga maga, na apektuhan daw yung ating brain because of the vaccine. O ito, nakikita mo ngayon. Yung
Pero,
mga, yung
pero
hindi
yung MAGA pa
nagpa-vaccine.
yung pinaka-pro-war. So, sila yung anti-vaxxer, yung pa yung pro-war. So, baka naman the vaccine
Hindi,
actually...
pero nag-call siya, may mga split na sa loob, ah.
I
Oo.
don't know, Sir Ronald, but I mean, of course,
Maga.
Sir Carlson, you have those people, but yung base pa rin, I don't know eh. Nakita mo yung survey ng CNN na parang joke, 100% pro-Trump yung MAGA, except may tinatawag na self-selection. You're a MAGA if you 100% support, therefore 100% yung support sa'yo. So napahiya naman si Kim Jong-un kasi 99.3% lang yung ginawa niya.
Pero the Tucker Carlsons of this world, hindi na sila isolated.
Oh, no,
Nagsisimula.
no, they're very powerful. Tucker Carlson, pinayaan niya yung The Economist, di ba? Yung namemememe na yung nakanya mo yung interview niya sa The Economist, yung tinanong,
Oo,
does
oo.
country X have a right to exist? So basically, argument niya, does Lebanon have a right to exist? Do Palestinians have the right to exist? What do you mean by... I mean, grabe, no? He just pushed back so hard.
Oo.
I think wala na. Tapos na yung ano, tapos na yung mga the guardrails are out on so many levels, discursive, military, everything. I'm really, really worried about where things are going. But Sir Ronald, you don't seem to be worried. Is it because of the bombshells of Trillanes? Si Senator Trillanes, bobomba pa rin eh, kahit may giyera doon. Wag, dito na tayo, binomba-bomba niya.
Magkakaso ako live eh.
Parang, parang meron pa rin libel sa mundong to. Nakalimutan ko sa daming giyera. Ano nangyari kay Sentry? At ang kamusta itong bombshells niya sa Marines, ex-Marines daw,
Mer-
kuno,
Meron siyang, alam mo
mission. He's a
yung sa
man of his
kabayo,
mission.
yung sa
Yeah.
kabayo, yung nakaganon. May ganun si Tapalodo, may ganun siya. Bahala na kayo dyan. Yung mga Heydarian, yung mga Manny Mogato, yan. Basta ako,
Bakit si Manny na naman dinadamay? Alam mo bukas, 'di ba tayo underground. Tayo bukas ni Manny. Baka hindi na magpakita si Manny bukas dahil alam niya bubulin na. 'Di ba Manny, sabi mo tapos na yung laban.
pero hindi siya worried eh. Dahil alam niya, kwan siya eh. Siya yung,
Busy.
hindi, alam niya yung genetic roots niya na kay Genghis Khan.
Yes.
So, hindi siya worried. No?
Yung ano niya, yung parang war is good, parang gano'n. War is life.
Ako naman, kwan ako eh, samurai yung aking roots eh. Kaya, kami, zero-sum gamers kami. No?
Akala ko pa naman parang it's chaos under heaven, kaya exciting. Yung ganyan, medyo may pagka Jo and Lai Maui style.
What's the worst thing that can happen? An asteroid will hit the Earth.
That's exactly my worry. Like if there's an asteroid coming, we're too busy fighting each other.
Ang binobomba na ngayon, mga military camps na may nuclear warheads eh.
I mean, it's getting out of. That's what I'm saying. Like,
Don't be worried.
baka yung aliens will get worried. Di nyo naman lang kami hinintay na dumating dyan, inubos nila yung sarili nyo, di ba? You know that filtration theory ba yun? Yung bakit hindi tayo nakahanap ng ibang katulad natin? The theory is, inubos nila sarili nila bago natin sila hanapin. Like, the idea is that once you reach a certain level of complexity, idiots will be in charge by some probabilistic parang randomness, and then they'll use that weapon and technology, ubus kagad yung lahi nila. That's one big theory na bakit hindi pa tayo nakahanap ng katulad natin is because yung mga katulad natin na una sa atin, inubos nila yung sarili nila.
Tignan mo
Which
na
is
lang.
looking very probable to me.
Tignan mo na lang, tingnan sa atin. Kung may election bukas, all the serial killers, the mass murderers, no, the psychopaths, sociopaths, maniacs, plunderers will win.
And Ronald Llamas, feeling ko malaking chance ni Ronald Llamas for
Oh,
2020.
ano ba, magkaroon ng election bukas, no? Do you think modernity will win? Of course not, no?
Dark ages na tayo sa Ronald.
The Suntais and the Topacios and the Sasots of this world, no? These mass murderers, no? These psychopaths, these plunderers, no? Will win by a mile.
Pero parang sumikat ka rin sa Ronald. Ikaw rin sumisikat ka rin recent years. What does that say na?
Hindi naman ako ganun
What does it say, Sir Ronald, na yung trajectory niya ay medyo similar? Na medyo
Hindi
kayo
naman-
ang nagtatribe.
Baka yung genetic roots hindi masyadong magkalayo, no? The fruit doesn't fall very far from the tree.
Nagdamay ka naman ng mga Hapon. Yung mga Hapon ko nga kaibigan, sila yung mga pacifist na mababait eh. Ayaw nila ng giyera, ayaw nila ng defense, ganun. Kasi I went to the Nikkei Asia office in London and Financial Times. Parang ang bait tong mga Hapon. Kasi worried daw sila, yung prime minister nila.
They're making up supersonic missiles ngayon, ha?
Yeah, of course. Of course. Ang worry nga nung tao is yung government nila masyadong right-wing. Yun yung worry nila. So, ganun sila ka-pacifist na they're worried na their government is going a little bit all in. So, sabi ko, wala kayong choice. Yayarin kayo ng China if comes to war. I mean, in the opening hours of any war in Taiwan, titirahin lahat ng yung mga US 7th Fleet, titirahin lahat ng mga bases across the region if it comes down to that war. So, they have to be ready really talaga for ugly situation. Hindi hintayin ng China na ma-involve ang Japan. Uunahin nila yung Japan because they know they're the strongest link.
Nag-propose nga ako na ang kailangan natin i-create is a drone industry. It will provide employment, it will increase the economy, and at the same time, meron tayong minimum defensive capabilities. May bumalat sa akin. Ano ka ba? Kung ka na ba? Warmonger ka na ba? Warmonger? O di sige, let us hold hands and sing Kumbaya against China. O, di ba?
Medyo ano yata yung mga kaibigan natin, medyo out of the loop. Anong multiverse po gumagana to? Pero ang worry ko, Sir Ronald, pagka magkaroon tayong drone factory, baka maging flood control na naman yan. Or baka bebentahin sa mga drug dealers yung mga drones kung saan
Depende, hindi. Depende. Parang kanyan eh. Parang tong sabi ko sa oil deregulation. Wag mo munang isuspend ngayon. Isuspend mo pag kami nasa gobyerno. Dahil kaya ginawa yung oil deregulation law because of corruption in government. 'Di ba sa OPSF dati? 'Di ba? Eh, kaya kung iba ang gobyerno, pwede lang i-abolish yung oil
Gusto ko yung
deregulation.
ganyan argument. Parang ganun din ako, Sir Ron. Like, I'm against dictator unless it's us in control.
Oh,
Because I trust us, we'll use it for good.
meron namang benign authoritarian system.
That's what they say. All of them, they say that. Nakita mo yung mga
Uh,
pictures ni Kim Jong-un with his daughter, teaching her how to use a tank.
basta kami ni Manny Mogato ang leader. Yun, i-assure ko yun.
Alam
Yun.
mo, feeling ko si Manny, tayong dalawang una ipapurge niya.
Di
Ila long
ba?
knives tayo, Night of the Long Knives. Galit na galit siguro yan down
Yung combination nun, di ba? Yung vice president ko, Mongol horde. No?
Grabe, sir, baka makasuhan tayo. Alam mo
Tapos,
yung mga na-meet kong taga ano, MTRCB, sabi, alam mo, nagpapasalamat kami sa'yo. Alam ko hindi pa kayo covered sa social media, pero alam ko binibehave mo si Sir Ronald. Sabi ko, fans naman daw sila, kaso nagpasalamat sila.
borderline.
Bantayan mo yan si Sir Ronald kasi
Borderline.
kahapon may kausap ako. Sabi, ano nangyari doon sa wag po? Sabi ko, kasi kasi hindi daw wag po kuya ba yan or wag po? Sabi ko, parang ganun na rin.
Oo. Alam ko, may tinawag akong bakla ron eh, sa wag po.
Si Ronald, alam mo legend na yan, urban legend na yung wag po na yan. Hanggang ngayon dinidebate what happened to that urban legend. Kaya itong safe house natin, ang tingin nila, ito yung ano, sanitized version ng wag po, di ba?
Hindi,
Ba?
yung sabi ni Manny Magato, yung wala ka sa lolo ko, nagmumura ako ron eh. Nagmumura ako, nag-PPI ako ron.
Yung pala, yung pala. Tsaka yung mga mangkanor kayo ng mangkanor. Yung ang namin yung mga inside jokes, napansin ko. At hindi ko alam kung lasing ba talaga makakausap ko dyan sa programa o hindi.
Kay,
Pero
kay, kay Kwan yun, sa kabilang channel yun. Kay Christian yun, yung mga kanal.
ayaw. Like, sabi ko, lasing ba itong mga to or hindi? Pero grabe yung first time
Pero
na...
bawal ako magmura doon. No? Hindi ako pwede magmura. Kaya doon ako nagmumura sa Kwan.
Ah,
Sa
ah.
lolo. Kami
Pero hindi
sa
naman covered sa MTRCB ang social media. So safe naman, you're safe.
problema sa Storycon, bawal magtawag ng idiot tsaka stupid eh.
So anong
Eh,
pwede, moron?
ang hirap, ang hirap magpigil eh. No? They're coming out of the woodwork eh. So, hirap na hirap magpigil eh.
Eh di genius.
Akong
Genius. Sabi
principal
mo
na katabi.
genius.
Meron pa akong principal na katabi.
Sabi mo genius. That's the nice way of saying, uy, grabe mo itong mga genius, mga henyo na to. That's the way of saying it na politically correct. Hey, genius. Sir
Hindi,
Ron,
kasi ito lang ginagamit ko.
ayun.
Kaso hindi mo naman na-appreciate yung sarcasm ko.
Hindi na-appreciate ko yung sarcasm mo, pero kasi most of the time sa akin nakaano nakatutok
Hindi
yung sa...
naman, hindi naman. 50% lang.
Ayun nga, medyo mataas yung rate na
Oo, ano
50%.
maganda yung bilang mo eh. Kala mo 90%, 50% lang.
I'm not sure about that, sir. Mahirap magsalita. Basta kung may mga certain people, pansin ko ako yung binubully mo.
Hindi,
Parang gusto mo ikaw lang alpha, no?
mataas pa rin yung kay Manny Mogato ah. Mas mataas
Hindi
yung
yung kay
percentage.
Manny, bully talaga, bully yung ginagawa mo. Yung sa akin, iba eh. Parang ano eh.
Ah. Yung sa'yo, parang
Nag-iisipadahan tayo.
yung sa'yo, parang underhanded compliment.
Oo, oo. Sir Ronald, last part, pag-usapan natin, may 1,000 pa rin nanonood pala sa atin. Bakit pagising ng mga taong to? Sabi ko, pagtingin ko, 1,000 pa lang gising pa nanonood. Actually, more than 1,000 pala. Bakit kaya? Masama bang pinag-usapan natin? What's happening to, ano pala, Sara Duterte? I haven't heard from her. It took a take, a take, a
Yung lumalabas na pa siya ngayon, no?
ganun ba? Sorry.
Hindi ko lang napapansin dahil kwan eh.
Parang Trump lang nakikita ko
Walang
sa algorithm.
kakwenta-kwenta yung mga pinagsasabi niya. Ah.
Ano daw yung idadalhin ulit from Manila? Dali yung parang ganun yung mga solusyon niya?
Oo.
Ipapa-private jet niya yung mga tao?
During 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 air war. No?
May air war analysis siya.
Oh, sunduin by plane, no? Napakadali daw sunduin yung mga OFW by plane,
Sa
no?
gitna ng ano aerial campaigns. I mean,
No, siguro dahil na-realize niya in the future, mauubusan na rin ng interceptor missiles.
well, paubos na yata. Like, I think as we speak, medyo mga empty bala na lang ang ginagamit. But,
Kaya napuwersa rin sila mag-ceasefire eh. Dahil talagang pasis na.
medyo seize and the fire, di ba? Yun ang problema. There's fire but there's no
Tapos
siege.
hindi nila alam gano'ng karami pa yung hawak ng Iran. Yun yung
1,000 missiles. Pero yung Iran kasi drones lang kailangan na nila ngayon. Hindi na like isa-isa lang missiles but they can
pero
send.
nagulat sila sa Diego Garcia. Ah,
There's a debate on that. One other debate is it's a retrofitted version of the 2501 para maging lighter. So there's a
hmm.
way actually to make the missile lighter kaya medyo pumalpak
Kaya
pa
naging
rin.
4,000
Pero it can,
kilometers.
pero pwede mo siya maging lighter load niya so it can go further. So it's still basically same technology but there's some debate about that. Some are even saying it's a false flag operation. But we are in a crazy situation. Pero hindi pa naman naabot sa Pilipinas. Kinabahan ako nung nakita kong 4,000 kilometers. Sabi na ng mga DDS, ayan na, malapit na sa Pilipinas. Oh, shoot.
7,500, 3,500 pa.
Ito si Sir Ronald kasi, hindi, ang layo natin, 7,000, 2,000, biglang 4,000. Like, oh shoot, sabi ko, gagamitin na naman ng DDS. Ano bang
Uh,
latest analysis ng DDS sa EDCA basis? Meron na naman silang mga henyong analysis. Ayaw natin maging
Nila
ano.
yung analysis nila na kung hindi natin inaway yung China, bibigyan tayo ng oil. Oh, di ba?
Ah,
Oh, yun yung sinasabi ni Bobby Tiglao, yung idol
lahat
mo.
na lang, no? Basta nagtapon sila kahit ano, mag-stick. Baka ito bumenta sa taong bayan, free oil,
Pero
free massage.
kahit late, buti na lang nag-declare ng state of energy emergency.
Ayaw nga pala, hindi mo
Buti na
sinabi.
lang ginawa ng gobyerno
Ano
dahil
ibig sabihin nun?
ibig sabihin yung energy lang, ano emergency. No? Wala pa namang food, no? Wala pa namang kwan. So, kwan yan, targeted mo. Targeted, no?
So what does it mean? You can regulate prices, you can regulate flows, distribution. What
Dapat.
does it mean?
Dapat. Oh, halimbawa, maraming profiteers. Oh, pero actually, kahit wala yun, pwede mong tawagan yung big players eh. No, pwede nyo bang i-absorb part of the price increase dahil lahat pass on sa consumers eh. No, you're making it difficult for the government. Eh paano kung magkaroon ng riots in the future? 'Di ba? Et cetera, et cetera. Eh pati kayo tatamaan. Dapat ganun ang usap. Dapat kinakausap mo sila either publicly or privately. Oh, everybody has to share the burden. Sabi ko nga kay Congressman Asidre kanina, oh, mag-token man lang yung mga congressman. No, ibigay nila yung 25% ng kanilang sahod. No? Ipapat nila. Para to show the example.
Si
Halimbawa,
Bato, si Bato, pwede niya ipamigay, wala naman siya.
senators, local officials, mag-pat sila just to show na everybody is concerned. Alam ko naman, babawiin nila yan sa ibang bagay eh.
Yun ang concern ko, baka mag-give up ka ng
Oo.
20,000 pero
Pero
bawi mo
at
20
least
million.
symbolically, di ba? Parang if we hold on together, no? If we hold on together, di ba? Ayun, pwede tayong
Yung
kumanta.
pala, Sir Ronald, pwede holding hands pala. Yun ang solusyon natin, mag-holding hands tayo.
Yun lang.
Tayo mag-drone.
Alam mag-show ng ng something positive. Unity in this crisis na ayaw tanggapin na crisis. No? So mag-unite na lang tayo.
Wait lang, bibili pala tayo sa Russia na ngayon ah. Biglang ano na, sweet na tayo sa Russian ambassador na
That
walang
will take
patas.
time, no? That will take time, no? Negotiate ka, ilalagay yan sa mga container ships, di ba? Tatravel yan.
Malapit yung Vladivostok. Ano ka ba? Vladivostok is just up Japan. Diyan lang
Oh.
yan. Kaya ng 1 week yan.
Hindi, yan kaya.
Ang Russia, maraming shadow fleet, yung mga nag-evade ng sanction. For all I know, nandyan lang sila sa Brunei, ganun. Marami silang shadow fleet. Parang Iran yun eh. Marami silang shadow
Dahil
fleet.
ang oil nila, dinadala nila ngayon sa India at China. That's massive. Di ba? That's massive eh. Hindi naman yun ang priority nila, hindi naman Pilipinas eh. So,
Pero yung kasi, ally na nila, tayo, gusto nila i-penetrate strategically dahil US ally tayo and all, di ba? We
ano,
matter.
ano namang interest nila sa Pilipinas? No? Ano na magagawa nila rito? Di ba? Magpapadala sila ng 340,000 barrels of oil. That's just for one day. We used 500,000 barrels of oil per day.
Yeah.
So sabi nila, pinagdiriwang, oh, we're going to receive 340,000 barrels from Russia. That's less than a day. Di ba? Eh, siyempre,
Baka, but
everything
in terms of pricing, baka yung going back to yung it's
uh,
not a supply problem, it's a pricing problem. But it could help in terms of confidence, in terms of supply.
of
But
course.
Russia just signed also a nuclear power plant deal with Vietnam
Hmm.
the other day. So maybe
Every
they will
little,
offer that too.
every little bit helps. Pero yung Vietnam kasi suspicious na yan sa Russia eh. Kaya nga binigay nila yung Cam Base sa Russia eh, to help them fight China. Nung nilusog sila ng China, hindi naman tumulong ang Russia. Kaya kausap ko yung defense minister 10 years ago eh. Sabi niya, don't trust these superpowers. They'll abandon you.
They're user friendly. Yeah.
Russia abandon us. Sabi niya. Oo.
Unless you fight hard and then they'll start helping you. Like Ukraine, like Iran. Pansin natin, di ba? They'll only help you if tingin nila may chance ka. Pero kung alam nila,
Sino
gandhi
sa
ka
atin,
na.
sino sa atin magka-fight?
Yun ang tanong. Yun ang tanong, Sir Ronald. How do we make them invested sa ating bansa? Maybe we'll have that conversation off the record kasi when you ask, ano kaya interest ng Russia sa Pilipinas? Sabi ko, marami, pero siguro pag-usapan natin bukas na lang sa Safe House or off the record. Huling-huli, Sir Ronald.
Oh.
Ah, goodness. So, kamusta ang 2028 race since last week we talk? Alam ko parang paulit-ulit natin every week yan. But do you think
It's
realistically we
it's
can look at ano, Sir Ronald?
it's unfolding. It's unfolding. Oo. Eh, ko labas yung sinasabi ko sa yung survey.
Wala nga akong sinabi. Literally, yung shorts na video, ikaw yung nagsalita. Bakit ako yung sinisisi?
Eh,
Alam
sabi
mo,
nila, ano tong survey na sinasabi ni Richard? Ah, wala yan. Saan lang niya napulot na ako niya? Nasako ng gawgaw. Sabi ko, okay, magpapaniwala dyan kay.
tapos literally, ikaw yung nagsasalita sa video na pinost ko. Sabi ko, ano pa bang ebidensya yun? Wala nga akong sinasabi eh. I'm just saying what you said, Sir Ronald.
Kaya sasabihin ko nila, it's unfolding. It's
Ito
unfolding.
na lang, Sir Ronald.
It's
Kailangan
moving.
magsalita. But,
Oh,
tanong ka lang, is this an authoritative survey? Agency? Yun na lang. Oo.
yes.
Oh, yun, okay. Hindi ko sasabihin na letter S yung...
Ah.
Grabe.
Oh, or ito yung kanyo, baka ito yung survey nyo. Kasama ka ba sa Tangere?
Hindi ko maintindihan yung...
Nagpa-survey sila pero tinanggal si Tulpo.
Yun,
At
nakita ko yun.
tinanggal
Oh,
si Bam.
Lenny was 30 yata, di ba?
Nilagay sa vice si Bam.
Oh,
Siyempre, pag tinanggal mo si Tulpo arbitrarily, pupunta yan kay Sara. Dahil
right.
same populist
Yun nga,
ethos eh.
kaya nga tinanong ko eh, should Tulfo
Kaya nagulat ako, what was
endorse?
it about? So,
Kaya nga sabi ko nga kung kailangan i-endorse talaga ni Tulfo si Sara. Ay, si Sara, si Lenny or Bam or Risa, whoever runs. No? Kasi, syempre yung base ng Tulfo, mga strongman din, di ba? Yung mga tapang-tapang style din. Eh, syempre
kaya
mas
hindi nila
natural yan sa
pwedeng
leader
tanggalin
type.
arbitrarily sa survey. Ang sabi nila, hindi, nagsabi kasi si Tulfo hindi siya tatakbo. Eh si Lenny rin nagsabi na hindi tatakbo. Ba't kasama siya sa survey?
Yun nga, hindi ko
Kaya
maintindihan
dito
yung
sa
ano,
mga tangere.
yung excuse na yan.
Alam mo yan, mga lasalista yan eh.
Ayan ka na naman, sir. Ba't mo ka dinadamay sa mga tangger?
Lasalista ka?
Bakit ganun yung pangalan? Tanger. Yung na rin mga politiko. Ay, ba yun? Tanger na yan. Tanger yung survey na yan. Naalala mo yung time na sa
Meron
Tanger,
kasi
si Isko may
pangalan,
chance pa.
Oculum eh.
Ano,
Parang supernatural horror story, di ba yun?
naalala mo yung 2022 para may chance pa si Isko pero sa Tanger eh. Ano lang, sa Tangerine, ano. So tuloy naging ano na siya, naging meme. Basta sa Tangerine, lahat may pag-asa. Parang ganon. Sir Ron, I'm really worried. Parang you're not worried. You seem to be enjoying this chaos under heaven. Bakit kaya? Do you have an advice? Kasi marami akong nakikita nagpapanik. No, seriously, Sir Ron, I'm talking to people in the corporate world. I'm gonna have a big event. They're working from home. They're canceling big projects. Like, Sir Ron, like the projects for the next 5 years are being affected as we speak. I mean, like nagpapanik yung mga executives na kausap ko. It's really bad. It's really, really bad.
Ni Dostoevsky sa Brothers
Yan
Karamazov.
tayo eh, of all people, yung pinaka-depressing. Di man lang gogol,
Dark,
di man lang
dark si Dostoevsky, di ba?
dark talaga.
Yung Russian psyche. Sabi niya, in spite of his darkness, sabi ni Dostoevsky, We have to learn to smile. No? Yan. Oh, 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 yan, oh, di
Ah,
ba?
pwede, The Idiot. So,
Oh,
pwede naman
yan,
pala
dami
eh, The
yan.
Idiot.
Dami niyan, no? May libro ngayon
Okay.
dito sa, bili mo, yung libro dito sa Fully Book, no? The
Oh.
Idiots Around Us. Oh, meron, meron, The Idiots Around Us. Bili
Kaya
mo.
nga sabi ko, bakit bawal? It's
Hindi,
one of
pero
the most
tapusin
famous.
mo. Sabi ni Dostoevsky sa Brothers Karamazov, we have to learn to smile in the face of the inevitable, to laugh even at the looming of death. O, di ba? Oh, kanya na, very dark yan si Dostoevsky, pero meron siyang sense of humor. Meron siyang optimism, di ba? Hmm.
May tawag si Zizek dyan eh, Courage of Hopelessness.
Di ba? Di ba? Oh.
It's even more
Oh,
depressing.
yung Gramsci, di ba? No?
Yeah, 100%.
Gramsci, oh. Hmm.
Hindi maganda yung buhay nila. Like, medyo depressed.
Nakakulong pa yun, ha? Nakakulong pa yun. Namatay sa kulungan yun, no? Di
Yeah,
ba? The
grabe.
cynicism of the intellect.
Optimism of the spirit. Pero ikaw parang optimism of the... Never mind.
Wala akong intellect eh. Kaya hindi ko pwedeng gamitin yun.
Na pa-intellect. Pa-intellect. Optimism of pa-intellect. Oo.
Di ba? While Rome is burning, di ba?
Nero is eating
Ah,
siopaw. Is ordering his siomai. So Sir Ronald, is Trump Caligula or Nero? Kasi I'm wondering if Caligula is maybe not accurate enough. Kasi Caligula eh parang Nero na yung level.
baka somewhere in between. Okay, ngayon.
That's dangerous. That's
Alam
very
si
worrying.
Caligula merong sense of ruthlessness eh.
Oh,
Ganun eh. Ba?
tsaka yung kanyang kalabaw ginawang five-star general ba or something.
Si Nero may pagka-flippant eh. No?
Yeah, in fairness.
Eh, hindi naman flippant si Trump eh. He's something else.
Calculating. Oh. Oh, so
Something.
more Caligula pa rin. Oh, interesting. Actually, Sarah, I'm very glad. Last time we started with Russian novels, I was worried we'll end again with Russian novels. I'm glad we ended with Nero and Caligula, which I think is a slightly less depressing
Yeah.
in the grand scheme of things. So I'm
Oh.
very proud, Sarah. Parang tayo lang yata ang podcast sa buong sambayanan natin na nagdedebate ng The Idiot versus yung mga Caligula analysis.
Baka yung 1,000 plus na nakikinig sa atin, siguro makikinig lang sa atin next time, mga 13.
Hindi nga tumaas na lalo nung sinabi ko Caligula.
Nag-usapan na ng dalawang ugok na to.
Hindi kasi may Hollywood movie nung Caligula, di ba? Yeah, medyo kakaiba. O, baka ma-censor tayo. Sir Ronald, thank you so much. Bukas ituloy natin tong Caligula discussion with Manny Mugato, our special defense expert. I think, pag-usapan natin is
O
Caligula
kaya, may safe
Nero.
house nga pala tayo bukas. No?
Oh, save house tayo bukas. Kaya sabi ko, wag natin ubusin yung content kasi yung boss natin tinitingnan tayo. A certain boss na sabi niya, a certain Thank you so much, Sir Ronald. Maraming salamat. It is a pleasure always talking to you, Sir Ronald. Very high IQ, very high level, very smart, very smart.
Usapan ng quantum science today eh. So, susunod na lang.
Very glad na hindi tayo nag-aerodynamics
Well,
analysis.
the future of warfare is quantum communications.
Ayun. Do you know that I literally met a researcher on quantum communication sa Oxford?
Hmm.
Chinese Singaporean. Sobrang galing. At
Yeah, head
in-explain
of
niya sa
China.
akin all the different dimensions of quantum communication. Sabi ko, wala ka sa lolo ko, si Ronald Llamas. String theory, dinikit na yung string theory sa quantum mechanics. Naniwala siya. Oh wow, where did he train? MIT? No, he's invited. He's freelances in MIT.
He reads Dostoevsky.
Sir Ronald. Ano mangyayari? Feeling ko mananalo ka rin pag may election bukas. Kinakabahan talaga ako, Sir Ronald. Talagang The Idiot. Di ba yung scene sa The Idiot when everything falls apart? Di ba? Biglang nagwala yung doon sa staircase. Like everyone went bazooka. Parang ganun nangyari sa Ronald. Hindi na siya Caligula. Medyo iba na to, Sir Ronald. So,
Correct, correct.
let's
Yeah.
end it on that note. Thank you, Sir Ronald, and see you soon. God bless.
Right.
Lagay